OnGreenShow.
Okay, so over the last 2 months, I did 3 custom KCs and unboxed 2 KCs. Now I thought it would be a good time to do an April video. So I have this April from the 1987 cartoon, and I love these boxes from the older NECA cartoon turtles, and I guess they still do it when they release new ones, maybe. I love how they do the box like an old VHS. I do have one left from when I was a kid. I don't think it works. I had a ton of these, but they all got worn out because I just watched them over and over and over again. This box is pretty beat up, but you can see they changed the way they write the NECA to the same as this FNE that they had on the VHS, ages 5 and up. So that's awesome because I've been throwing away all my boxes recently just because I don't have space, but when I get these VHS ones, I keep them. Anyway, that's a long intro. This is what she looks like. You may have already seen her because she's been out for a long time. But that's dope. Just a balcony outside her window, I guess. Anyway, the box is great. Look at all these accessories. And April, she looks great. Her hair looks great. I have this Best Action one, which is pretty good for the scale, but the NECA one's obviously way better. I also have a couple cases here. This is a NECA 87 TMNT KC. This is a Super 7 Mirage KC that I just painted last week to look like the actual cartoon colors. But accessories, it's the best part, for me at least. That was pretty good. I guess when Shredder always captures her, holds her captive in this. One extra head with just a smiling, happier face. It's not the only head, but first, got a little pizza monster. Dope. Maltese hamster, like the episode Maltese hamster. Got the Venus flytrap, or mutant Venus fly. Got the mutant Venus flytrap, or was it just, it was a rare flower and then it, well, this one's gonna eat you. The other one, like, put you under a hypnotic spell. It's a different episode, I guess. There's so many episodes, so many different turtles. We have a picture of her Aunt Augie, the hare and the tortoise, instead of the tortoise and the hare, because I guess there's copyright on that, but that's so old. How can there be copyright on it? On the back, there's a picture of the tortoise winning a race, and it's not a regular tortoise, it's a humanoid tortoise, so maybe a cousin of the turtles. Her compact turtle comp, and it closes and stays closed. That's dope. I want to be careful getting it back open, so I don't want to break it. It seems very fragile. Yeah, I missed this plant the last time. This is the plant that gives off the pheromones or hormones or whatever, I think. And then it lures you so the other plant can eat you. Now she's blindfolded. Maybe she'll be trapped and blindfolded at the same time. Is that the same episode, or just probably often Bebop and Rocksteady kidnap her and blindfold her? Channel 6 camera. Awesome. Microphone, another microphone, but this one's attached to the audio recorder, which is a bag with, what's the 8mm tape? 40mm? 8mm, that's for, it's a 2-track audio recorder. That's close enough. Plus all these different hands. You got the waving hand, 2 of them, 2 more of them, waving, yeah. Got thumbs up, pointing or nose picking, and peace. I usually say that at the end. Okay, that's awesome, but now we need some room, and hopefully you have some more time, because I have this Leo here from the Pizza Club. I might start a pizza club, but just me and pizza. So that looks dope. He's my first NECA 87 cartoon turtle. And then his background, if you can see it on that camera, on this camera, no, the glare. It's the exit to the turtle lair. Yeah, but that's dope too. Pizza Club, I guess they're still kinda, yeah, the style of the VHS tape covers. Kinda. So this is a newer one. The April is older. Really happy with them. His joints are good. He feels good. Like, I mean, the plastic, the head's a little loose, but it's not really. It's just like smooth. You don't have to fight it, but it stays in place when you move it. So I'd say that's like perfect how the head should be. But at first it seems loose. His eyes are a little goofy, but in the cartoon often that's how they were animated. So I think NECA did that on purpose. Got some good articulation. Stands up pretty good, but sometimes the feet just have to be bent a little extra forward. That's sick. He's two-toned, aka shell shaded. Yeah, cell shaded and shell shaded. That's hard to say. Shell shaded. I wonder if the regular ones, like the original ones, just came without the cell shading, but still had the shell shading, or they just did this for the Pizza Club. So we've got some pretending to shoot you hands, or I guess that's a pointing hand. So he's got this awesome little statue. I'm just holding it like this weird because maybe the camera will show it properly. And also he blends in with the ground there. So he only has the holding hand and the pointing / shooting hands. Got this, this is a stand for this Dream Dragon or Zippo or Zippy, or I can't remember the character's name, but it's obviously from the cartoon, I guess. Where does this... Oh, right in the spot where you might think there's a hole. That's cool. So it's floating, or it looks like it's sitting in an invisible chair. That's sick. It came with the pizza. The pizza has pepperoni and pineapple. It's one of my favorites. It had bacon. Is that like infrared turtle vision, or what's it, a kaleidoscope? If you were old enough to watch this cartoon as a kid, you'd know what a kaleidoscope is. Maybe if you're younger, I haven't seen one in a long time. I don't think they're popular anymore. You can just watch TV or look on your phone. He's got some books. No, he's got one book. There's a picture of something on it. It looks like a tripod. Probably a ninja training book. I'm gonna put on my glasses on my glasses. It's pretty small. It is a tripod, but it's two swords and then an arrow in the middle, it looks like. And then it's on like a ribbon banner kind of thing. Oh, the Three Musketeers. It's three swords. Yeah, that's what it is. And he's got a VHS tape with a blue label, so you know that's his private video that he recorded off the TV. Because I definitely never put a blank tape in and recorded. I dished out the big bucks to get these, but eventually blank tapes were like 50 cents and all VCRs had a record button, so And finally, the reason I got Leo instead of all the other turtles, he came with this extra head with the red eyes, which is awesome, and I can use it to make a 1987 Dark Leo. So, but not like Dark Donnie where he's a good guy but he's dark. Dark Leo where he's bad and joins the Foot Clan and gets hypnotized by Shredder. And quickly grab that raft. Fudge! Okay, so here's Raph, but he's from the arcade Turtles, and I've had him for at least 5 years, I'd say. Or almost 5 years. But I already have him, so he can stand in until I get all the other ones, and then I'll get him last. But he comes with like the head with the dough on it, dough head. I'd rather have like a regular face and then just put pizza dough on it when I want him to look like that. Yeah, cool. But he's got different cell shading. He's got like army cell shading, like digital camo, or video game like 12-bit or 16-bit, or no, Nintendo was 8-bit, was it? Or 6-bit, 4-bit. It was very few bits. These are awesome. I'm so happy I finally have Leo. I'm gonna get the rest of them soon. But this month I've got 2 more double unboxings, and then a big unboxing with like 15 to 20 things. And in that last unboxing video, I'm gonna be unboxing stuff that I'm gonna customize through December and January and February and March, and yeah, I'll let you know all that when that time comes, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.